Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Centering a div element on a web page using CSS can be achieved in various ways. Below, I will show you several methods to center a div both horizontally and vertically. Method 1, using flexbox. Flexbox is a modern CSS layout module that makes it easy to center elements. HTML *, CSS, styles.css. Method 2, using grid. CSS grid is another powerful layout system that can be used to center elements. HTML *, CSS, styles.css. Method 3, using absolute positioning. This method involves using absolute positioning along with CSS transforms. HTML *, CSS, styles.css. Summary. You can choose any of the above methods based on your layout needs and browser compatibility requirements. Flexbox is great for one-dimensional layouts and is widely supported. Grid is perfect for two-dimensional layouts, also widely supported. Absolute positioning is a traditional method but requires careful handling of parent elements positioning. All of these methods will effectively center a div on the page. Choose the one that best fits your design requirements. Centering a div in the middle of a web page can be achieved with various CSS techniques. Below, I'll provide a detailed tutorial on how to do this using different methods, along with code examples for each. Method 1, Flexbox. Flexbox is one of the most straightforward ways to center a div both vertically and horizontally. HTML. CSS, styles.css. Method 2, CSS grid. CSS grid is another powerful layout system that can be used for centering elements. HTML. Use the same HTML as above. CSS, styles.css. Method 3, absolute positioning. This method uses absolute positioning to place the div in the center. HTML. Use the same HTML as above. CSS, styles.css. Method 4, margin auto, for fixed width. This method is suitable when the width of the div is known. HTML. Use the same HTML as above. CSS, styles.css. Conclusion. All of the methods described above can successfully center a div in the middle of the page. The choice of method depends on your specific layout needs and browser compatibility. Flexbox and grid are modern approaches and provide a robust solution for responsive designs. Absolute positioning is useful for simpler layouts where you know the dimensions of the element. Margin auto is effective for fixed width elements. Feel free to experiment with these methods to see which one suits your project best.